Location-ini ya Majimoto, nyumba imwe no ithite na mbere gucakaya gikuo kia mwana wa ukuru wa miaka 14 uria urakuire kumana na murimu wa hepatitis B uria ugumeire kaunti yo. Kurigana na cifu wa itura riri niwe Kibet Kobet hari andu 130 ao mari na murimu uyu uria ni ugwati munene na uria ucungiririe ikuo cia andu 10 Baringo ya muhuro.
About 100 people were taken to this local dispensary, but about 30 people were found to be having the infection.
Ona gukire uguo, governor wa county no Stanley Kiptis ni ahete aikari ya county no mwihoko na kumoria meyumirie kwamukira njanjo ya murimu uyu na hokuka kuri na dawa cia kuigana kungethanira na murimu uyu.
We have enough drugs for vaccination. We are still going to order more if need be, because from there we shall ensure that this disease is eradicated once and for all.
Nake Dagitari Kipsang uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa urigitani kaunti-ini ya Baringo ni aratariria njira imwe iria icungagiriria gutherema kwa murimu uyu, imwe ciacio ari kuonana kimwiri na mundu ri na virus icio na hindi iria mutumia araheo mwana.
In terms of fatality, we've had reported cases of fatalities, that is deaths because of hepatitis B. In this area we have had 2 cases who have died of hepatitis B, and the deaths is majorly because of the complications.
Imwe cia ndariri cia murimu uyu ni gutahika, guthirwo ni hinya wa mwiri, ngothi kugaruruka na kugia na rangi wa ngoikoni, undu uria uikaine ta jaundice, guturwo ni marungo gatagati-ini ka ndariri ingi nyingi. Giribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, niĩ ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.